Namaste students. Always try to represent yourself as happy. Initially it becomes your look, gradually it becomes your habit, and finally it becomes your personality. Today we are going to see about set operations. So John Venn was an English mathematician. He invented Venn diagrams which pictorially represent the relations between sets. Venn diagrams are used in the field of set theory, probability, statistics, logic and computer science. In this set operations we are going to see first complement of a set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U that are not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A complement. In symbols, A dash is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to U but x does not belongs to A. So by this diagram you can easily understand. Venn diagram for complement of a set. First one is A shaded portion. In the second one A dash, the shaded other than A. So in the universal set other than A, that is complement of A. Understand. Next I will give the one example. Example 1.10. If U is equal to C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and A, C, D, G, J. Find A dash or complement of A. The set U we are writing, then A, then A dash. So first check the elements. So C also there in A, so strike it out. Next D is also there, you strike it out. E is not there, so write. F is also not there, so write in complement of A. Then G, it is there in A, so strike it out. It will be easy for you to write the elements for complement of A. So next one H is not there, so write H. I is not there, so write I. Then J is there, so strike it out. So which are the elements in A, you strike it out in U, then write the balance elements, that will give you complement of A. Next, union of two sets. It is very easy. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. It is denoted by A union B and read as A union B. So in symbol, A union B is equal to the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. So this diagram A union B in pink color, A union B. Look at this example. If P is equal to M comma N and Q is equal to M I J, then represent P and Q in Venn diagram and hence find P union Q. So first we have to represent these elements in the Venn diagram. So this is P and this one is Q. So P containing M comma N, two elements. So M is common in both P and Q. So we have to write in the middle part, that is intersection part. So N, M. So P containing two elements, that is M, N. Next Q, M, I, J. So M is a common element, already we mentioned. So I, J alone you have to write in this part. So this is Q, I, M, J. So three elements are there. For writing union, P union Q is equal to, write all the elements. So N, M, I, J. Next one, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common both in A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. So in this diagram you can see this part. This is the intersection part. You should write only the common elements. This part is common for A and B, that is intersection. So this is A intersection B. Look at this example. Let A is equal to the set of all x is an even natural number and 1 less than x less than or equal to 12, and b is equal to the set of all x such that x is a multiple of 3, x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 12, be two sets, find A intersection B. So for writing A intersection B, first we have to list out the elements in Brewster form. The set A containing 2, 4, 6 because they given even natural number lies between 1 and 12. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So next B1, multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 12 is we have to write. In this we have only two common elements, that is 6 and 12. So A intersection B is equal to 6 and 12. That's all. I am giving homework. So try to finish this. Be thorough with the concepts. Today I explained about complement of a set, union of sets and intersection of two sets. Be thorough with this. Thank you, students.